Encountering issues with loading Roblox experiences can be frustrating, but there are several advanced solutions you can try to resolve them effectively. Here's a comprehensive guide to troubleshooting. Begin by checking the Roblox Studio logs for any error messages that might provide insights into the specific cause of the problem. Disable debug mode in Roblox Studio, as it can sometimes interfere with experiences loading properly. Clear temporary files, including browser cache, cookies, and any temporary files from the Roblox installation directory, to remove corrupted data. Run Roblox Player Launcher as an administrator to grant the application elevated permissions, which can help resolve issues related to file access.
This can sometimes bypass issues with your default DNS provider.
Network configuration
Use a
is causing
VPN.
problems
In
with
rare
connecting
cases,
to
a
Roblox
VPN
servers.
can help if your
Though keep in
ISP is
mind that this
throttling
will
or blocking
reset all your
Roblox
network
traffic.
settings,
However,
including
using a
Wi-Fi
VPN
passwords.
can also introduce latency and performance
Temporarily
issues,
disable
so use it as a last
IPv6
resort.
on your network
Additional
adapters,
tips.
as some
Report the
users have
issue.
reported
If none of these
success with this
solutions work,
solution,
consider
but
reporting
make sure
the
to
issue to
research
Roblox
its
support.
potential impact
They can
before
investigate
trying.
further and provide more specific assistance
Try
based on
using
your case.
alternative DNS
Check for
servers
specific
like Google
experience
Public
issues.
DNS
Some
or
experiences might have no
as this
loading
can
issues.
sometimes bypass
Look for
issues with
information.
your default DNS provider. In rare cases, using a VPN might help if your ISP is throttling or blocking Roblox traffic, but be cautious as it can introduce latency and performance issues.
Look for information on the specific experience you're trying to load through community forums or the experience's creators' social media.
Assistance based on your case.
Join the Roblox developer
Check
community.
for known loading issues with
If you're
specific
comfortable with
experiences by
advanced
seeking
technical
information through
troubleshooting,
community
consider
forums
joining
or
the
the
Roblox
experience's
developer
creators' social
community
media
forums.
channels.
They have dedicated
Consider
sections
joining
for
the
discussing
Roblox
technical
developer
issues
community
and can
forums
offer
for
more
more
in-depth
advanced technical
assistance.
troubleshooting assistance,
Remember,
as they
a
have
specific
dedicated
solution
sections for
might vary
discussing such
depending on the
issues.
root cause of the problem.
Keep in mind that the
If you're
specific
unsure
solution
about
might
any of
vary
these
depending
steps
on the
or
root
encounter
cause of the
further
problem,
difficulties,
and if you're
seeking
unsure
help
about
from the
any steps
Roblox
or encounter
community or
further
contacting
difficulty,
Roblox
seek help
support
from
is
the
always
Roblox community
recommended.
or contact Roblox support for assistance.